बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम लैब असिस्टेंट पास पेपर हेल्ड डाउन जो 25/12/2022 को हुआ था इसके एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, स्काई न्यूज़ इज़ द न्यूज़ चैनल ऑफ विच कंट्री डैश। करेक्ट आंसर बी, यूके, यूनाइटेड किंगडम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस इज located in dash. Correct answer C, Hague. Question number 3, vaccination can be administered through dash. Correct answer D, all of these. Question number 4, biotic component of an ecosystem are of dash types. Correct answer B, 3. Question number 5, the location of genes in chromosomes is called its dash. Correct answer A, locus. Question number 6, the chemical formula of child salt Petra is dash. Correct answer C, NaNO3. Question number 7, dash are made as a result of fermentations of fruits and vegetables. Correct answer A, acetic acid. Question number 8, all steps are used for the extraction of matter except dash. Correct answer C, transpiration. Question number 9, the heat transfer from a hotter place to a colder place with or without having a material medium in between is called dash. Correct answer C, conduction. Question number 10, the value of thermal conductivity for copper is dash. Correct answer C, 400 watt. Question number 11, in Kelvin scale of temperature the boiling point of water is marked as dash. Correct answer D, 373 Kelvin. Question number 12, F is equal to K constant is the mathematical expression of dash. Correct answer B, Hooke's law. Question number 13, stress divided by strain is equal to dash. Correct answer C, Young modulus. Question number 14, the oldest tennis tournament in the world is dash. Correct answer C, Wimbledon. Question number 15, International Court of Justice has its head office in dash. Correct answer D, Netherlands. Question number 16, Nippon is the former name of dash. Correct answer C, Japan. Question number 17, identify the country which was the runner-up of FIFA World Cup 2018 dash. Correct answer C, Croatia. Question number 18, Singapore was previously part of dash. Correct answer C, Malaysia. Question number 19, which of the following is the largest gulf in the world dash. Correct answer D, Gulf of Mexico. Question number 20, groundstroke is associated with which of the following games dash. Correct answer C, tennis. Question number 21, the British government encouraged dash educational institution. Correct answer C, missionary. Question number 22, the Quaid-e-Azam presented his famous 14 points in reason to dash. Correct answer D, Nehru report. Question number 23, who was the caretaker Prime Minister of Pakistan from 5 November 1996 to 17 February 1997 dash. Correct answer B, Malik Miraj Khalid. Question number 24, plastid are of dash types. Correct answer B, 3. Question number 25, cell membrane is made of dash. Correct answer D, lipids and proteins. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.